Hello students, I hope you are all keeping well at home. This is my second video for class 6 computer science. In the last video we had discussed and studied about chapter 1, that was categories of computers and computer languages. Today we will see chapter 2. Chapter 2 is your file management, organization of data. In order to understand the things better, I would like to ask you to take out your computer book and I will try to explain the important topics of this chapter. So please open page number 18. So let's start with file. What is a file? A file is a named unit on a storage device that stores information in an organized manner. And there are different types of files when we can classify. 3 types of file: ordinary files, directory or folder files, and special purpose files. In ordinary files, we have got like any song or videos which are or document files. Then directory files, which are a kind of container which contain number of files in that. And special purpose file are the files which are needed for various activities of the computer system, like command.com, config.system. These are all special purpose files. A file has got a file name. It is having 2 parts. First is your primary file name and then your secondary file name. Secondary file name we call it as extension. So there are different types of extensions like .xls for Excel files, .ppt, .pdf, .mp4, like that. So these are the file extension which tell which type of file it is. Now when a file is created, see on page number 19, a file is created to contain specific information. So there are certain file operations which we will be learning today. There are different operations like viewing data or copying a file, moving a file, playing a file, deleting a file. So I will show you on the computer screen how to do all these operations related to a file. So here is the desktop. We have got different icons, and here there are some document files you can see here. And suppose you want to see the data, like how to see the data which is stored into a file. We are on page number 19 to view data from a file. Suppose we have got a file like this, and to see that we have to just double click this document file. So you can see that it is storing the marks of say class 8B. So this is the way how to, so you have to go to the file and double click, you will be able to see the data from a file. Then page number 21, copying a file. What do you mean by copying? Copying a file means making a duplicate copy of a document. So when we copy, it is also called copy and paste. And when we copy a file, there are 2 important things to note here. One is a source and one is destination. Suppose we want to copy a file from one drive to another drive. Okay, so like suppose we have got this file And suppose we let us copy some other file from another drive. So this is my computer icon. Suppose we go to this F drive, that is F drive, and from here suppose we want to copy this file, computer study material 6 set 2. So you have to right click over there. So this is your source destination, means from F drive we are going to copy. So this is the source, the place or location, source location. So after right clicking here, there are different options which we can do on this selected file. So suppose you want to copy this, so you'll have to choose this option, copy, and then you have to go to the destination location where you have to copy. So suppose you want to copy this into say E drive. So we are now in F drive, that is your source location, and if you want to copy into E drive, so you have to go to that location or drive first. So to go there in F drive, you have double click there, and then here you have to right click on an empty space, like here this is an empty space. So right click here, then you get an option like here paste. So once you click here, you will get the file copied over here. So it is getting copied here. So we have got this file here, computer study material 6 set 2, which is in a PDF. So PDF is an extension of this file. Now copying a file from a drive to a device, it can be a pen drive. So you might have seen a pen drive. I'll show you how to copy a file in a pen drive. Like this is the, suppose this is the pen drive, and I want to save in this one. So I'm inserting this one. So I will inserted the pen drive, and the same this file computer study material 6 set 2 I am going to copy in the pen drive. So after inserting the pen drive, you can see here on the left side, you can see this D drive location, this D drive location. So after clicking this one, you can get this is the D drive location, the pen drive which is inserted, which is here. Now suppose we want to copy that file, so we have to go there in F drive, and this one we had this file to be copied. So again we right click over here, copy, and then we go to D drive, that is the pen drive location, and here we have to right click on an empty space and paste here. So that file is getting copied into this pen drive. We have got this file here now, computer study material 6 set 2. So from F drive, what we did now, from F drive we have copied into D drive. Then on page number 24, copying a file from a pen drive to a hard disk drive. Like now we are in the pen drive location. So suppose we have got a file to be copied there, like here we have got this file, suppose we want to copy. Then you have to right click over here and click choose the option copy, and you have to go to that location where you want to save. For example, you want to copy in E drive, then double click there, and here in this E drive location you can right click and here paste. Just ask for the permission. Now here you have got the file copied. Okay, now what you see here, this is called path name. Okay, path name, that means the location of the file in your computer system. So it is in E drive, which is inside your computer system. So we have come through this path after clicking my computer, then we came to E drive. So this is the destination location. Then coming to page 26, moving a file. Moving a file means, we also call it cut and paste, is the process of transferring a file from one destination to another, where a file is removed from its original position and made available on another destination or the drive. So suppose you want to move this file. So here this file is now in E drive. Okay, so from here suppose you want to move. So when you move, this file will be transferred to some other location, but it will not be found here in this original place. So for that we have to right click over here, and here you have to choose cut, not copy but cut here. So cut and paste is also another term for moving a file. By pressing cut, choosing the option cut, and then you have to go to the destination location where you want to paste it. Suppose you want to paste in F drive, and here we like to paste. So here when you press paste option, then it will be copied here. So we have got this file here. Now if you go to E drive, no, we were in E drive. So in E drive, from E drive we copied, so that file is not over here. So that means that is called moving. So it is not found in the original place, it is only in the destination. So that's called moving a file. Now deleting a file, suppose we go to F drive, we have got this file. We can make a copy of this. Here only you can make a copy and get stored, so that we can delete. So we have got another copy of this. So there is a word copy written here. It's a copy of this, means two files are there with the same name. So suppose we delete this only. So we have to choose. So you have to press right button. Okay, right click, and then here delete option is there. So by pressing delete, it will be deleting. So you can see that file is deleted. Then we have got page number 28, playing audio files. So we have got media player, the software which is used for playing audio files and video files, window media player and VLC media player. So we'll use VLC media player. So here is one VLC media player icon. So here you can see the location, like suppose from my music folder I want to play one song. So you can listen the music, you can play the audio file. So this is the way how to play an audio file. Then you can close this one. Then page number 30, how to play video files. So suppose you want to play video, then again you have to use this VLC media player, and then you have to go to the drive, or anyway you can go to my videos. This is the one video. This is one video. You can play the video. Then page number 32, searching for a file. Searching is a process of finding a file on the computer. If you want to search a file in a more specific manner, then we use what is called wildcard characters. There are two wildcard characters. One is question mark and one is a asterisk. So suppose you want to search a file in D drive. Suppose you go to D drive and you want to search. So there is a search box over here. There is a lens icon over here, search. So here search box is there. You can type. So suppose you type here C, then asterisk, means asterisk represent any number of characters and any character, and then dot MP4. So all the files having extension name MP4 and containing the character C will be shown to you. You can see the file name which are having the character C and having extension MP4 are shown over here. Another example, suppose we want to see a PPT presentation files. For example, X, then dot pptx presentation files. So you can see there are two presentation document files, PPT having a extension PPT, are shown over here. So we had seen just now the different file operations which we can have on a file, that is viewing data in a file, copying a file, moving a file, deleting a file, and playing a file. So children, with this we come to the end of this chapter 2, that is was file management, organization of data. So learn this study material, do the exercises in your notebook, and complete the assignment which is given to you for you to complete, and stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless.